Hello, Mr. Marrone. My name is Charles Marine, and I work with your local SEO professionals in Philadelphia, right here in Philadelphia. The reason I'm shooting this video is to do a very small website analysis of your site and help you, hopefully, give you three tips that are going to help you pull in more customers by ranking you better. So, three tips to rank you better. I searched on Google for a personal injury lawyer because I figured this is what people usually do. If you're in Philadelphia and you need a lawyer, just Google personal injury lawyer. And I saw that you're not on the top, you're not on the front page. In fact, I'm going to pick on two of your competitors here, Munley.com and Levin Injury Firm. And I'm going to use them throughout this video as an example. Because I believe that not I believe, I know that you can top them. You can rank better than them here on the front page of Google. Now, I'm sure you must be asking, why am I doing this? What I've come to realize, like I said, I've just started my company, but I've come to realize that a lot of business owners don't have the time to go in depth into how to make their the company rank so that more clients can see them. And also, business owners are not sure who does the best. They're not sure if if they're going to get what they pay for. So they're very reluctant to get someone to help them rank their site. Now, I'm going to give you three free tips. You can use them if you want, or you can talk to me and see if we can partner and help you get ranked up. Okay, the first thing I want to talk about when it comes to your website is content. Google looks at content on your page, and it's advisable to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words. And I can see that you have good content on your page. I'm going to look at your competitors. They also have a lot of content and probably way too much. I think this goes. Monthly.com has about maybe 4,000 words, and the Levin Injury Firm maybe about 2,800. No, I'm sorry, it's the other way around. 4,000 here, 2,800. I believe you're in a good range of about 1,600 words on your website. So kudos to you. That's a good job. Second thing I want to talk about is what's known as citations. Um, and to talk about that, let me come back to the Google search. Personal injury lawyer Philadelphia. Now, the top part of the search, whenever you search for something, first you'll see the ads, Google ads. Now, these are always hit and miss. If the person who's searching has ad blocker, they are blocked at times. And also, they're usually pay-per-click Google ads. That means that your competitor can come in and click as many times as they want in your ad. So in order to charge you and make it more expensive for you. Second part of a search is what's known as the map pack, the nap pack over here. It's where you see the map and then three firms listed or three companies listed. There used to be about 5 or 7, but Google recently switched up their algorithm, and now it's only 3. Now, how do you get yourself up here? You can see here your two competitors, the Levin Firm and Munley Law. And what it is that they have gone to different directories online and put in their name, address, and phone number in various directories online. And to beat them and to appear here above these searches, you just have to do the same. I use a tool called Whitespark to look for citations. Now, I put your company in here, and I can see that you have 25 citations. That means your name, address, and phone number are listed on these directories here: communitywalk.com, chamberofcommerce.com, etc. Looking at your competition, the Levin Firm, they have 112 citations. And that means they are showing up in all of these different directories. And your second competitor I wanted to talk about, Munley, they have 122 citations. So what you have to do is just go into these directories, excuse me, go into these directories and place your name, address, and phone number exactly as they appear on Google. But not only that, in order to beat them, to outrank them in this search, you'd have to get more. I would probably double the number of citations that I have, so that I keep on showing up over here. So that's citations. The third and very important thing I want to talk about is what's known as backlinks. Now, you know that the internet is basically a connection of websites all linking to each other. What a backlink is when a different website links to your website. Say you've done a great job for a client and they write a blog about you or a blog about their success and mention your firm and put your link there that links to your site. That's what's known as a backlink. Now, I have this other tool called Ahrefs, and with it, I'm able to come in and see where you rank. This is you right here, Marrone Law. You're about 4.2 million on Ahrefs rank on the internet. Monthly is at 700,000. Levin Injury is at 372,000. So they're way higher than you. But what I want to focus on are these backlinks here. They have about 53,000 backlinks. That's a lot. Monthly has about 99,000 backlinks. Referring domains just means that there are 1,800 domains that are given them 99,000 backlinks. Looking at your firm, Marrone Law, you only have about 11,000 backlinks. So it would be your job or my job, if we decide to go together, to increase this number to actually beat your competitors. Now, not all backlinks are the same. Say, for instance, a pizza shop links to your website. Well, you don't make pizzas, you don't have anything to do with pizza, so it won't count for much in terms of Google's authority. Down here, you can see this rating of URLs. And these are the ratings of the URL, goes from 0 to 100. This is Google's rating for basically the strength of the website. And you can see for Monthly, one of your competitors, their distribution, they have a lot of very, very many. Like I remember I said, we saw here they have 99,000 backlinks. But a lot of them are very low quality backlinks, 0 to 10, 11 to 20. Going over to you, looking at your backlinks, you have a lot of weak backlinks, basically. We want backlinks that are in the range of from 51 to 100. And this is very possible. This means we would just have to go to different blogs that count, that have power, that are reputable in terms of personal injury law, and have you listed on those websites and have a link going straight to you. So that way, and like I said, it's not okay just to match your competition. We want to dominate your competition. So the stronger links we have and the more we have, and we do have a tool that can find better websites, stronger websites to put your information on and link back to you. I'm very sure that I know these are big numbers, 99,000, 55,000 backlinks, but I'm very sure we can beat them if we just get stronger backlinks and more of them. Now, these 3 tips are things that your website person can do, that you can implement right now if you'd like to. Those are backlinks, citations, getting as many as you can to destroy your competition, and content. I hope this has helped you. If all of these things, I just want to add, all of these things might seem simple, but they take a lot of time to do. So I hope I hope this video has helped you. I hope you can get more clients in using these tips I've given. If you would like to work with me, My phone number is 215-770-1621. And my email address is, and I'm just going to write it here so you have it on your on the video. Charles at yourlocalseopros.com. Thank you for your time, and I hope this helps. Reach out to me if you'd like to talk, and I appreciate your time. Thank you.